Yes, coming back. Walaikum assalam. Which thing you have, Abrish? What is this? This is chocolate? Biscuit. Okay, fine. So eat it fast. I give the break for eating or drinking something, ना? मैं खुद भी जल्दी से गई थी चाय पीने के लिए. मॉर्निंग में मैंने आज चाय नहीं पी थी. बस अभी फ्रेंड्स आ जाए, वी स्टार्ट. ठीक है ना? वी हैव टू डू द एक्टिविटी. अब्रिश की गोट आ गई या काओ या शीप, क्या आ रही है अब्रिश की? अब्रिश, which thing you bring? Unmute yourself, Abrish. Yes. क्या ला रही है अब्रिश? गोट, काओ या शीप? क्या लाएंगे? कौन से कलर? दो चीजें लाएंगी. ओहो, आपको डर नहीं लगता काओ से? मुझे तो लगता है डर काओ से. मुझे गोट से नहीं लगता, लेकिन काओ से लगता है. काओ की बहुत बिग बिग से सींग होते हैं ना, वो मार देती है, इसलिए मुझे डर लगता है. हाँ. अच्छा, कौन से कलर की काऊ लाएंगी? व्हाइट या ब्लैक? रेहब आ गए और रेहब ने वर्क भी कर लिया. वेरी नाइस रेहब, गुड जॉब. Now you can take a picture of this work and share in the homework slot of software. Fine? Okay. Now बस हम 2 minutes more wait करेंगे, हमारे friends आ जाए. We start the activity. Now look at this. Din, din, din. What is this? Sheep. Abrish, what is this? Sheep. And we can make it with the... We can make it this with the cotton and black computer paper. With the black computer paper. Black computer paper, or we need obvious for thing glue. Okay? And I will cut all the things with my friend Caesar. Open, close, forward, open, close, forward. You can start. The friends will come and join us. Okay? First of all, place the sheep. Take a piece of card paper. Abrish, look at the screen. Abrish, we need a piece of a card sheet, and on that card sheet we can draw oval shape in the center. Oval shape. Look, I draw. And on that oval shape, I paste glue. And I paste it in the oval shape. आपको नजर आ रहा है? मैं उस ओवल शेप पे, ठीक है, मैंने glue कर दिया पेस्ट. Then what I do? अब मैं क्या करूंगी? I will take a cotton piece. थोड़ा फिक्स कर लूं मैं ताकि आप लोग को क्लियर नजर आए. Fine. Now I will take a cotton piece. कॉटन मैंने सामने रखी है and I take a pinch. इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा सा इस तरह से पिंच की तरह से निकालना है और उसको पेस्ट कर देना. Take a small pinches. Fine. और हम उसको उस ग्लू एरिया पे पेस्ट कर देंगे. Now it's all pasted. I think. ये देखिए डन हो गई, पेस्टिंग हो गई. Now we can go to the second step. Second step of the picture is we can make a face of the sheep and make a legs of the sheep. Now for this regard we need, I tell to you, we need black computer paper. ठीक है? With the pencil, and you can take the help of your siblings if you have, or you can take the help of your mama. हम इस पे पहले कोच का ड्रॉ करेंगे. Look at this. How can I draw? It's so easy. हमने बनाना है उसका पहले वन ईयर, एक कान. आपको शायद क्लियर नजर नहीं आ रहा होगा, लेकिन जब मैं ड्रॉ कर लूंगी फिर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, क्योंकि इट्स अ ब्लैक पेपर एंड वी आर अनएबल टू सी द ब्लैक पेपर फ्रॉम द फार अवे. हम दूर से ब्लैक पेपर पे ड्राइंग नहीं देख सकते.
But can you please draw on a white paper and like for elaborate?
व्हाइट पे फिर पूरी व्हाइट शीट बनेगी और उसके जो अपीयरेंस है ना वो अच्छी
बनाएंगे उसको ब्लैक पे, लेकिन आप पिक्चर की ड्राइंग शो करने के लिए व्हाइट पे बताइए ऐसा ब्लैक पे बनाना.
ये देखें आपको नजर आ रहा है, अदरवाइज आई विल शो द व्हाइट पेपर एज वेल. नजर आ रहा है? इट्स वेरी इजी. मैं आपको व्हाइट पे भी कॉपी में भी बना के दिखा देती हूँ. फॉर योर यू कैन टेक द पेपर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मेक a sound like a ear, then go forward and again you can make a sound and make another ear. उसके 2 ears हमने बना लिए. Now we can comes down and make another that is the face part. That is the face part. It's easy. It's easy. Okay? When we are making on the black paper, quickly we can cut it with our friend Caesar. उसको फिर हम क्या करेंगे? अपने फ्रेंड सीजर से कट कर लेंगे. Quickly I will cut. And I have a cutting board. Tiny face of the sheep, and then again we will hold that part and place the glue on the cutting face. Place the glue. It's so easy, and you can make this sheep and give it to your friends as well. You can paste the glue backside and stick on the right side of the picture where we paste the cotton. Look. Now it's time to make a legs. It's also very easy. जिस तरह हमने उनका फेस बनाया स्ट्रेट, बहुत इजी से। अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ, इफ यू आर अनएबल सो यू कैन यूज द स्केल, ठीक है, आप स्केल यूज कर सकते हैं, एंड जस्ट मेक स्ट्रेट लाइंस थ्रू एंड ज्वाइन टुगेदर। ये देखिए, इस तरह से थिन स्ट्रेट लाइंस बना के इसको ज्वाइन कर देना है। सेम वर्क आई डू इन द ब्लैक पेपर, क्योंकि ब्लैक पे अपीयरेंस नजर नहीं आ रहा तो मैं जल्दी से बना के कट कर लेती हूँ।
थोड़ी सी अच्छी ठीक बना ली, नहीं करो।
And how many legs goat, sheep or goat has? They have 4 legs. So we can cut the 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After cutting, finally, again we paste the glue. Same like the face, we paste the glue because we have to stick with the glue. आपको नजर आ रहा होगा, अब मैंने इसलिए ऐसे रख लिया ना। I will fix one leg.
Leg uठाएंगे फिर हम मुझे तो ऐड करेंगे ब्लैक पेपर को ब्लैक
आ गया वो, देखो बना रही हूँ मैं, तवज्जो से देखोगे तो दिखेगी।
One, हमें सबसे पहले ग्लू अप्लाई करना है, ठीक है ना, तभी वो स्टिक हो पाएगी। Then we can paste the glue in the second one. Then I paste the glue on the third one. Then I paste the glue on the fourth one.
ये कितनी खेल दुनिया देखो, ठीक है।
All the legs are going to be pasted.
देखो जरा,
But something is missing. But something is missing. And what is that? You tell to me. कौन बता रहा है मुझे? Tail. And which thing else? Eyes. Without eyes, this sheep is unable to see anything. So we can make a eyes with the color, or we can make a eyes with the cotton as well. We can take the small pinch of cotton. You can see I am taking a small pinch and roll it with my finger. Roll कर लिया अपनी finger से. You can see. Did you see the tiny circle on my hand? Abrish, look at my hand. You can see the tiny circle on my hand. नजर आ रहा है? You can make eyes with it. आप इससे भी बना सकते हैं. And I have the white-o. You can use white color as well. Okay. So I make with the white-o. Because Miss Turfa also join us. We are not having much time. The eyes are there. And the nose and the lips.
देखो नीचे कितना क्यूट बना है।
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है।
Look, our sheep is going to be ready. Ba, ba. And you can make it and
नहीं मैं वो मंगाऊंगी
tell to Priya or Mama or Baji. You can write it. Eat Mubarak. Your card is ready to give someone. Okay? अब सबने बनाना है और अपने मम्मी पापा को ये वाला कार्ड गिफ्ट करना है, ठीक है? And share the picture in the homework slot where I give it in the यूनिवर्सिटी, या आप यूनिवर्सिटी पे मुझे पोस्ट कर देंगे पिक्चर. So did you enjoy the making of sheep?
Yes.
Show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up. Very nice. Very nice, Shayan.
thumbs up show करो शयान.
Very good. Now Miss Turfa is there and she is waiting. Hello, Miss Turfa.
Hello everyone, how are you all?
I am fine. What about you, Miss?
I am fine, Alhamdulillah.
Now, first of all, sit proper, everyone. The activity time is finished. It's time to learn some reflections.
Let's begin with our story first, na?
Yes.
Story, but then we will do reflection time, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay, now I'm going to show you a picture of the story, okay? Tell me the name, what is the name of the story? Look at nicely, sit nicely. Look. What is the name of the story?
स्टोरी का नाम क्या
The pancake. What?
Pancake.
Yes.
जी आवाज अच्छी बची.
Okay. Next. The frying pan. The frying pan.
जोर से
Frying pan.
frying pan है. मम्मा what बोल रहा है? Frying pan.
And who is holding the frying pan?
Dad. Who is holding the frying pan?
Dad is holding the frying pan. Very nice. Shayan, who is holding the frying pan? The frying pan. Okay.
जाओ तुम बैठो.
Frying pan. Where has the frying pan? Look, frying pan like this.
Look at the picture.
The floor.
Who is putting the floor?
Who is putting the floor? कौन है?
Bed. Mom. Very nice. Bed. Good job, Shayan. Egg.
Eggs. And who is putting the eggs?
Egg.
Chippy.
Skipper. Very nice. Read it one more time. The floor. The floor.
The floor.
Egg.
Eggs.
Very nice.
And what's that?
Milk.
पीछे को बोलो ऊंचा.
Milk. Very nice. Dude.
अरे
Milk. Who is pouring the milk in the bowl? Who is pouring the milk?
This.
Babe. Yes. Babe is pouring the milk. The butter.
And who's pouring the butter?
butter.
Butter.
And what?
Who's this?
Yes, very nice. Good job. Good job. Putting the butter. And where is Skipper putting the butter?
यहाँ पे डालने के first one बता. What is this?
What is this?
नीचे बोलो.
Very nice. Soft and hard. Frying pan.
मिल्क डाल रही है बाउल
Now
में
next.
फ्राइंग पैन है ना ऐसे खाना
That is the
Yes,
pan.
see.
हुआ नहीं हुआ.
Did you see the image?
No teacher.
Yes.
Miss Turfa, your voice is very low.
Wait.
A little bit much better.
Okay, wait. I'm sharing the image. Yes, Shayan, what is on the next page?
Teacher रुको. ये देखो.
Yes.
The pancake. बोलो the pancake.
Very nice. Look, teacher is showing you the image. Wait. The pancake. Look, the pancake.
Oh, I got it.
What dad made out of the butter, the flour,
फ्लावर
the
फ्लावर दिस में किफर ने क्या डाला था एग और डैड ने क्या बनाया पैनकेक
and what are they doing?
फोटोज हुआ
The pancake race.
स्विफी बटन
They are racing the pancake race. Very nice. Good job. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Very nice. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Okay, now it's our reflection time. Okay. Okay. Now tell me who gave us eyes? Who gave us eyes, Shayan? Yes, Abrish, who gave us eyes? Allah Ta'ala. Very nice. Who gave us eyes? Allah Ta'ala. Allah. Yes.
Yes, Allah gave it.
Allah Ta'ala gave us so many things, na. So we should thank Allah Ta'ala by saying Alhamdulillah. What should we say to Allah Ta'ala? Alhamdulillah. What? Say it. Alhamdulillah.
We should
Very
say
nice.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Say it, Rehab.
से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
Say
Alhamdulillah. Look, teacher is going to share one picture with you. Look, Allah Ta'ala gave us eyes, na? So we should say Alhamdulillah for giving me eyes to see your beautiful Yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us eyes.
सारी चीजें देखते हैं आइस से सारी चीजें देखते हैं ना आइस से आइस से आप हर
Okay,
चीज
now
खूबसूरत चीजें
now
देखते हैं,
tell
हाँ?
me who gave us hands? who gave us hand?
आपको हैंड किसने दिए? हाँ, किसने हाथ दिए आपको?
किसने दिए?
अल्लाह ताला।
Yes.
अल्लाह।
Alhamdulillah for giving hand. So that can
थैंक्स
I
करते हैं अल्लाह ताला को कैसे?
with our
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
hand we can help others.
बगैर आपके विदाउट हैंड आप किसी के कोई काम कर सकते हैं? बगैर हाथों के, बगैर हाथों के काम कर सकते हैं?
No, we cannot do anything without our hands. Okay, we should say Alhamdulillah. Who gave us food? Who gave us food when we are hungry?
Who give us food? हमें खाना कौन देता है?
Sabresh, who gave us food when we are hungry?
आपको कौन देता है?
Allah Taala. Very nice. Say yes, say Alhamdulillah.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। खाना कौन देता है? अल्लाह ताला।
Yes. Okay. मम्मा भी देती हैं बट मम्मा को अल्लाह ताला देते हैं तो मम्मा कुक करके फिर बेटी को देती है ना.
Allah Ta'ala. बोलिए Allah, everything given है Allah.
Yes. Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
हमसे प्रेयर कर हर्षे तो
Look.
हमसे प्रेयर कर हर्षे।
Who gave us water? Who gave us
Who gave us
water?
water? Allah. Allah. Who gave us water? Allah.
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 Allah Ta'ala gave us water so that we can drink it.
Allah Ta'ala ने lips, Allah Ta'ala ने आपको पानी, Allah Ta'ala ने
Alhamdulillah.
रखेंगे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. बोलो.
Okay, now do you guys want to listen a rhyme? Do you guys want to listen a rhyme of Alhamdulillah?
Yeah, very nice.
Yes. So we can say, yes, Era, can you please get rhyme for us?
Yes, I will.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। हाँ,
Ooh, rhyme is here. Look, listen to the rhyme.
Alhamdulillah. Breakfast is ready. Yay!
Let's say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. What's that, Daddy?
Alhamdulillah means all praises and thanks be to Allah.
Let's all say Alhamdulillah. I say Alhamdulillah. I say Alhamdulillah. All praise and thanks be to Allah. Mommy, we're leaving now. Okay, have fun. Anna and I are going to school. Let's go together. Let's go. School, Alhamdulillah. We are we play together. Alhamdulillah. All our praise and thanks be to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Daddy. Hello, Mommy. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. We love our family. Alhamdulillah. All our praise and thanks be to
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बोलो.
Allah.
So, did you hear the rhyme of Alhamdulillah?
Yes, teacher. Definitely.
It's also posted in the homework software. Okay, you can watch it also.
Okay.
So, anything else, Miss Turfa?
That we should say Alhamdulillah all the time, okay? Because Allah Ta'ala gave us so many things, na? Allah Ta'ala gave us so many things. Allah Ta'ala gave us Mama Baba as well, okay? So we should say Alhamdulillah. What should we say? Abrish, I can't hear you. What should we say, Abrish?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Abrish. Yes,
Okay.
Shreya, what should we say? Yes.
Now it's time to do review. Today we are learning about the story of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and the Hajj steps, which I show with the picture to you. Okay, fine. Then we can draw the Khana-e-Kaaba on the paper and we can do the coloring on it. I must share the picture ताकि आपको remind हो जाए. Where are you, picture? Where are you? Here I am. The students are drawing the picture and you can post this picture to the university. After that, we can make the sheep with the art and craft with the cotton and computer paper. We did it like this. Look, I paste the tail as well and the robe. It's so pretty, na? It's so pretty. So you can also draw it and make it. Then I will do a reminder of some shapes as well. Now, can you tell me?
Shape.
Can you tell me? About which shape is that? Everyone speak up. Which has pointed and downside, rounded. Which shape is that? Cone. Very good. Abrish, I'm not hearing your voice, Bitte. Speak up. Unmute yourself. Yes. Cone. Birthday hat is like a cone. Okay. Now, the next shape is very well done. Next shape is, can you tell me which shape ball has? Which shape ball has? Sphere. Sphere. Ball has sphere shape that are solid. We can hold it. The flat shape is not able to hold. All the flat shapes we just draw on the paper. मैंने आपको पिक्चर दिखाई थी ना कि फ्लैट शेप को हम सिर्फ ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, होल्ड नहीं कर सकते. सॉलिड शेप्स को हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं. Now see the other picture.
Teacher, that's fair.
It's just for review of the shapes, okay?
Teacher.
Yes, you have a ball. Wow. Well done. Okay, look at this picture. That picture,
Okay, what is that?
all things are rounded on the upper face and long on the body. That is called slender. That is called
Cylinder.
slender. Very nice. I have a tissue roll box and it's also look like a cylinder in shape.
And I have
Look at this. Mug is have a cylinder shape. The drum is have a cylinder shape. The battery cell is having a cylinder shape. The log has cylinder shape. The cane is having cylinder shape. The pencil pot is having cylinder shape. Many things. Candle is look like a cylinder shape. Many things are having a cylinder shape. You can count these objects at home. Wow! Shayan has a glue stick like a cylinder shape. Very nice. And Rehab has something. Which thing you have? Show me, Rehab. Oh, marker. Very nice. Now we can go to the other.
Calendar. Okay.
That is. Don't say like this. It's a bad manner. Look at this dice. The colorful dice.
And what's that?
Which shape it has?
Chalo,
Cube. Cube. Very nice, Rehab. It's a cube. It's a cube. Very good. Well done. Okay. Can we share another picture? No. Okay. A little bit review, na? What is this? Who can tell me? It's a computer. What is the name of this device? Louder. Keyboard. Very good. Keyboard. Keyboard. Very good.
Say.
It has many buttons called keys. It has many buttons called keys. Now you can see the other picture. Yes, I hear your voice. Okay, can you tell me what is this? The machine which take out the picture or information on the paper. Printer. Very good, Rehab. Well done. That is printer machine. That is printer machine. Very good. Now come to the next picture. Okay, which thing is that? Which have a long tail, 2 eyes, and a scrolling wheel.
More se bola teacher.
Mouse. That is very good. I'm not having a picture of mouse. That's why I share the real mouse. Now the brain of computer. What is this? CPU. Good job, Rehab. Very nice. You know the all part names. Very nice. This is इसमें से पानी नहीं निकलता. That is the room cooler. वो तो room cooler होता है जिसमें से पानी निकलता है. It's a CPU machine.
That is CPU.
It's a CPU machine. Brain of the computer. We can do all work with connect with the CPU. Okay. Now last picture. Just share with you. And I hope you know the name of that picture as well. Without this device, we are unable to hear the voice. Speakers, very good.
Okay, what is that?
हाँ जल्दी से उसका नाम तो बताइए. शयान जल्दी से बताइए. Speakers, very good. Good job. You know the name of all parts of computer very well. You know the name of all 3D shapes like solid shapes. And one more thing I want to ask. Then we will play one rhyme. Okay? Which dress we wear when we performing Hajj? कौन सा ड्रेस पहनते हैं? नेम बताएं. और से बोले
जोर से बोलो टीचर को।
ehram. Very good. The girls are wearing ehram like this. Girls जो है वो ऐसा पहनती हैं, right? और the boys are wearing like this. Understand? Now it's time to play some rhyme. I save some rhymes my mobile as well for you guys. You just hear it, okay? Because video is not appear on the screen, so you just hear. आपको सिर्फ सुनना होगा, ठीक है ना बच्चों? Say yes or no.
अभी क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी।
और इसकी वीडियो के लिए मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगी, आप उसकी वीडियो देख लीजिएगा, okay? 1 minute. Just now it's going to play.
London Bridge is falling down.
Yeah.